Okay. Which of the following is not a source of NADPH? Okay. So we'll see one by one. We'll see one by one enzyme. What is their function? First, we'll see. First, what are all the sources of NADPH in the cytoplasm? The NADPH in the cytoplasm can come from pentose phosphate pathway. Okay. As I already, glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphogluconate, which is converted to ribulose 5-phosphate. In these two steps, NADPH is produced. It happens in the cytoplasm. Second, malic enzyme. Malic enzyme can convert malate to pyruvate. That also can produce NADPH. So these are the two important sources of NADPH in the cytoplasm. Okay, that is malic enzyme and glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, also known as G6PD, and 6-phosphogluconolactone dehydrogenase. These are the three enzymes of cytosolic NADPH. Mitochondrial isocitrate dehydrogenase. Okay, isocitrate dehydrogenase converts isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate. In the mitochondria, it can also convert, it also has two enzymes. Isoenzyme NADP plus can be converted to NADPH. Isocitrate dehydrogenase can also use NADP as a coenzyme to form NADPH1. Then glutamate dehydrogenase. Glutamate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate. That can also produce NADPH. Okay. So in the mitochondria, there are two sources. What are the two sources? Isocitrate dehydrogenase, then glutamate dehydrogenase. Cytosolic malic enzyme G6PD. Okay. So if you go by to the question, isocitrate dehydrogenase, yes, it is a source. Okay, that is true. Malic enzyme, true. G6PD, true. These two are cytosolic. This is mitochondrial. ATP citrate lyase is not a source of NADPH. So what is its function? ATP citrate lyase converts citrate to form acetyl-CoA and oxocitrate. Why do we need this? This is the enzyme of fatty acid synthesis. It's an enzyme of fatty acid synthesis. This acetyl-CoA will be converted to fatty acid. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so we have four sources for NADPH: G6PD, malic enzyme, isocitrate dehydrogenase, then we have glutamate dehydrogenase. ATP citrate lyase is not a source. The answer is, what is not a source? So ATP citrate lyase is not a source. Okay.